Hello students, this is the third video of Heredity and Evolution, and topic covered in this video are fossils and age of fossils, evolution by stages and artificial selection. So let's start. Dead remains of plant and animals which are buried in the rocks are known as fossils. Now, how these fossils are formed? Normally, when the organism dies, its body gets decomposed. But sometimes the environmental factors, the environmental conditions are such that the body of the organism does not decompose. And now the body of the organism gets trapped in the mud. And after some time that mud hardens and hence fossils are formed. Now let us look at how age of fossil is determined. The age of fossil is determined by two ways. The first way is deeper the fossil, older it is. Now what do you mean by this? Suppose there are 6 layers present deep inside the earth's surface. One fossil is found in layer 3 and other fossil is found in layer 6. Now this means the fossil of layer 3 is new, whereas fossil of layer 6 is much older, because fossil of layer 6 is found much deeper inside the soil. Second way of determining the age of fossil is by carbon-14 dating technique, in which we find the ratio of difference of same elements in the fossil. We find the ratio of different isotopes which is found in the fossil, and that technique is known as carbon-14 dating technique. Now let us study evolution by stages. In this we will study evolution of eye. We know humans have most advanced eyes present as compared to all other organisms. But these eyes which are present in humans, they did not evolve all of a sudden. It took time for evolution to take place, because in early organisms like Euglena, small eye spots were seen. These eye spots only detected the presence of light. After that, flatworms came into existence which had rudimentary eyes. Rudimentary eyes means primitive eyes which could detect only light. And gradually with time, humans they evolved, and binocular eyes they evolved in the humans. Now let us study evolution of feathers. Now feathers in dinosaurs, the feathers first evolved in dinosaurs, but the function of feather in dinosaurs was only insulation. But after this, the birds came into existence and they adapted the feathers for flying. Now next important topic is artificial selection. Artificial selection is a procedure in which humans put desired character in the plant. By manipulating the genes of the plant, we try to put our desired character in the plant. The example of artificial selection is wild cabbage. With the manipulation of genes of wild cabbage, we have made 5 varieties of wild cabbage. One is cabbage, which characteristic is short distance between the leaf. The second one is broccoli, in which there is arrested flower development. Third is cauliflower, which has sterile flower. Sterile flower means the flower which cannot reproduce. Fourth is kale, which has large leaves. And fifth is kohlrabi, which has swollen parts.